One of my favorite utility stitches on the Viking Epic is stitch number 12. It looks like just a really heavy straight stitch because that's what it is. It's a triple straight stitch. So sometimes people ask, oh, do you have this really thick thread? I'm like, well, can't you just pick this thicker looking stitch and it will stitch for you? So it's going to stitch 2 stitches forward and 1 back. Now this is actually considered a stretch stitch. So that means that when we pull on this, and that's why I've sewed along the bias of the fabric, so you can see that how pretty it looks. I love the fact that every stitch goes in the exact hole. It is strong because there's 3 stitches for every 1 stitch, and it looks like I've used a thicker thread. So instead of running to the store and trying to find this color of thread in a thicker type, pick the stitch. And it's just a good reinforcing stitch. If you ever have something where you got to sew it 3 times to like hold it all together, just pick this stitch. And by the way, stitch number 14 is the zigzag version. So it's going to go ahead and do any width that you change it to. And it also has that very nice reinforced look to this stitch. Let me show you one more thing about the actual size. So when you look at this stitch, do you notice it is the exact size that shows on screen? So if you're a very visual person, when you go to make it wider or even longer, you can see that's exactly what you're going to get.